What's up, everybody? It's your boy Beamy back at it again with another shoe review, and today I got a release date pickup. Snowstorm delayed this video and I finally got around to doing it. Not to mention Beamy and Jay got a lot going on. Matter of fact, this might be the last time you see me shooting from this spot, so make sure you check out the vlog. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now, hit the bell for notifications. But let's get to what's in this box. You see the box, you see the label, size 11, Jordan 6 Carmines, man. Carmines are mine. I made the Carmines mine. So these right here, man, per the usual, your boy wasn't really checking for these, but you know how I go at the workplace. Somebody mentions them. Shout out to my boy T-Churt. He brought these on my radar. I wasn't feeling them because y'all know why. I'm not a fan of white shoes or shoes predominantly white. I'm all about the black. I'm all about the blickety black. So these popped up on my radar. I was like, hey, I don't know. Then I was like, man, these might be hard to cop. Release day come, and what do you know? Your boy copped. But I copped from the last pair. Some dudes really vouched for him on Twitter. I gave him a try. It's not gonna be the last time. Shout out to my boy Jonathan. Is it Jonathan or Timothy? Pause, let's check. So shout out to my boy Jonathan, man. I really appreciate you, man. You really helped out, you really looked out. It won't be the last time I do business with you. So man, appreciate that, man. Y'all check him out if y'all looking for some releases you weren't able to secure. Man, will definitely come through. Knowledgeable, communication is A1, and he got the tracking number to me. No fugaziness. It's all 100. So Beamy approves of this man. Give him the thumbs up, man. So y'all know, like I said, I ain't crazy about white shoes, but these, I was like, I don't have no Carmines, and it's time to make the Carmines mine. So that's what I did. I secured the pair, and these did not disappoint. I was concerned. I ain't gonna lie. I was concerned with the pink soles. But these are not even pink. These are so faint that the camera can't even pick these up. If you're still looking for a pair, get it from a good source. You won't be disappointed. And let's get into it. So we got an all white upper, leather upper, synthetic suede all throughout the upper and the toe box. We got white laces, Jumpman, and we got lace locks with the Jumpman and the Nike. On the other side, we got a Air Jordan tongue. We got the spoiler with the red and the black. We got the Nike Air on the booty, and these are the first to re-release with these. It's ever since the original. Clear outsole with white and a red Jumpman, and we got a air capsule. We got an air unit right here, an encapsulated air unit in the front. Gear on the insole, and we got the glass board. Y'all know the glass boards. We saw these in the Jordan 5s. Got the glass board. They got the tongue secured to the bottom. But yeah, man. Classic Jordan 6. On feet. Coming soon. It's only right that we get to the on feet. You want to see it, right? That's how I secure the Jordan 6 Carmines. But man, what y'all think about that on feet though? What you like, the blue jeans or the black jeans? Y'all let me know down below in the comments. But let me know, were you able to secure a pair of these Carmines right here? Because I think it's definitely the move. But man, can we talk about the Jordan 1 UNC's dropping this weekend? Did anybody else's Finish Line app go boo-boo? Because my Finish Line, I couldn't even enter the raffle on the Finish Line app, man. These apps is tripping, dog. But y'all want all our information, but y'all can't even help us enter these raffles. Y'all can't even get your app to work appropriately to help allow us to secure per. What pair are y'all looking forward to? Were you able to pick up the Carmines, and how do you like those? How was your souls? Were your souls bloody red, flowery pink, or not really existent? Y'all let me know, man. So again, man, this probably gonna be the last time y'all see me doing a review here. It's gonna take me a while to get to another review, but best believe, man, we got vlogs coming, man. We got vlogs coming. We got things coming, big things coming. So be sure to subscribe. If you have not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell to be notified. And your boy is coming back again in a couple of weeks. Bye-bye over here. Hey, man, I appreciate y'all for checking me out. Till next time, stay blessed. One thing about it, two things for sure, three things for certain. Your boy Beamy's a beast. Let's go.